Hello, welcome to Let's Food and Barbecue. Let's make a Semmelwrap. First off, make the masa, which is an almond paste. In total, I'm going to be using 1 deciliter or 2/5 of a cup of almond flour. And then I will be using 1/2 deciliter and 1/5 of a cup of heavy cream, 3 drops of vanilla extract, which I'm just whisking together. I'm starting off with just a little bit of the flour and then adding more until I reach a consistency that I like. It's gonna dry up when you leave it, so don't make it too dry to start with. Anyway, this worked well for me. Once that's done, it's time to make the wraps. So I'm using 2 eggs, 2/5 of a cup or 1 deciliter of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then whisking it together, adding 1/2 a teaspoon of psyllium husk. Okay, so I poured it in a pan with a little bit of butter, and then I realized after the first try that I needed a larger spatula, so the second one turned out better. Add a little bit. I made 4 wraps, so 1/4 of the paste to one of them. Top with whipped heavy cream. A few raspberries in this case. You can use any berry that you like, and then it's time to wrap it up and taste it. There we go, keto salmon wrap. Let's try it. It's really good. Similar to a pancake, I would say, but the almond cream, the almond cream that I made, it's really good. It's almost like mandel masa, very close to mandel masa. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.